Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce better. Start by tasting the sauce and seasoning it to balance salt and acid. Use warm, heavy cream and real butter to create a silky base, then finish with freshly grated Parmesan and a splash of pasta water for shine. Keep the heat low to prevent graininess, and serve immediately over hot pasta for best texture and flavor today. Good ingredients make a noticeable difference, so choose high-quality butter and Parmesan. Grate cheese fresh for melt and flavor, and warm the cream gently to avoid breaking the sauce. Use a splash of pasta water to loosen the sauce and help it cling to noodles, and add lemon or nutmeg sparingly to brighten the profile. Finish with chopped parsley for color and enjoy. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep, these leak-proof containers keep sauces tidy and lunches fresh. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and make storing extra Alfredo simple and worry-free. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and please consider using it to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Emulsify properly by whisking cheese into warm cream off the heat to avoid clumping and graininess. Slowly incorporate pasta water a little at a time to reach desired consistency and to bind the sauce. Keep the pan off direct heat while finishing to preserve silkiness, and always serve on hot pasta to maintain texture and avoid separation. Use a microplane for fine cheese and strain any lumps before adding, and taste as you go.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.